Just the wait. Wait the patient. Because my fans, the blind said you to record the now this man, so now this man be the USAS, right? Yeah. Now this man, that be the prince. Right? These pictures, someone have told me several times that the other man then Aladura said that they do 419 where. Did you still know? They say they do 419 where. Before you spend a damn more on that baby's issue, you have to go and verify very well. Because you see this person within my back, so they say now swagalicious 419. No time where you to go take call this person. Where network not go dey bad. In network must be bad. You know what they hear within they talk well. Even today, sir, nobody they hear within they talk well. When I call this man on video call, I know hear within they talk well. You go the shout, they talk. Something is going on that you do not know. I don't know that you be Christian. I don't know that you serve Juju, but go and work on yourself spiritually. There is a force that is using you to extort money from people to give to this woman. You are a mother. I am a father. Everyone is a mother. You get where we go fit here preach. You don't fit to say because you be mother, may you go develop high blood pressure for another person picking. You have done your best. If they want help, this man here should go and buy data. He has a WhatsApp number, right? He should buy data, a good network for that matter. Come this live stream, not be you go bring they go come here on their own. But if your team, because your team, and I sabi them where we say, the person will still be like you. You know, they like to help people. Now, so me first be before I come cross my mind. Before I help, I will not say that help. Even the 700K we first give you safe, I will say, Mona return that money, but no. Mona take the money. Because every information that you have given to us on this platform since morning, no one they correct. Even the one we will put up, that one was passed. So the only thing we will go fit do now, make my fans for not fit call me scammer tomorrow, or make them not call they look me say I be any other person. Clear your name from here and let the whole world know that you do not know these people. Because social media never forget. Tomorrow they will bring you back and say, now you and this man they do the business. So two things now. I don't even need Mr. Sagi. Two things I need from you right now. Number one, is either you are clearing your name today. It should be on a disclaimer that you are helping these people, you don't know them. It will be screen recorded so that this will not affect your name. Because I can see that you get my kind of heart. You sabi pity person well. Or you feel just to go. We'll go to another topic. That is all I have to say. Thank you.
Rita, you have spoken well. I really appreciate you. The only thing I do not appreciate about what happened in this 5 o'clock meeting, like you said, is the fact that the person that you thought was going to the hospital did not go. It pained me so much.
It pained me too.
It pained me so much because the only way to clear name is by evidence.
Yeah,
it pained me so much that, you see, I was coming very happy because when you know you are dealing like on the truth, your head is going to be above water level. I can beat my chest, bring any juju, I'm ready for you, say, that Pikin, they hospital, that Pikin, they on a pipe now, like oxygen pipe. When we were on my live, the lady we sent, she was there, she did this thing. I forwarded the video to you. That video was done immediately. I forwarded it to you was when they gave me that video. It is today video. Today video. If to say your team or any person from here go that hospital, see that Pikin, even if na Satan heart, people where they get, they for cry for that boy. So the painful part of me today, right now, speaking to you, is the fact that the person that volunteered to go was not able to go.
No, the person that volunteered to go, not even want go.
That is just the problem.
It was just like a source of comedy, black comedy.
This to say there is somebody in this, because me, honorable barrister, the truth is, let's call a spade a spade. If I accuse you, say you do something, the only way you go take proof, like you said, these two things, yes, we can leave it to God. Now him go judge at the end of the day. But the easiest way to prove this our matter, a very simple matter, barrister, very simple matter. I am telling you here for free, say the Pikin Day Hospital, and they give you address, and they give you everything about the Pikin, and they give you the photo of the Pikin. Go confirm whether what they send for you different from what they sleep for hospital. Go confirm whether the Pikin they go through that medical condition or they lie.
Briggs. The Rasta that you said introduced you to this platform, I don't know Rasta. If I see Rasta for road now, pass Rasta. Because I don't know Rasta. I have never come in contact with Rasta in my entire life. The only person that you know before was my former PA. And right now, you are telling me that what pains you most is that the person that said she was going there never went. That was my former PA's. That was my former PA's work.
I don't really know who won't go, honestly. I just know say you can send somebody. And you did not disclose to us who they go.
But you know,
even when I give you number of that lady where you say no, make una go do una own findings, which I respect.
See, because
please, even after now, any person on this live stream over 3-point-something KP viewers, please, I can still call the address. We don't need money. Please, just to clear the name. Name is better than anything.
But that is why I gave you, you know, the yell talk. I gave you two options. I said you should do a disclaimer now on screen recording that everything that you are doing with that child, you don't know what you don't know too. Now, pittiness, you tell they do it for them. That's a disclaimer.
Honorable, yes, now pittiness, but I tell you, say that people, they not be fake. You know why? Because your platform, you say, now 419 as scammer. I don't know whether you did read that comment.
Adamio.
Now 419 as scammer, now 419 as scammer. But imagine say you come up and say, we don't go check the Pikin Day Hospital. You go silence their mouth to not say no be scammer.
In Nigeria, everything is possible. The thing where they happen for Nigeria, not they happen for Europe. Let me tell you some of the things where they happen for Nigeria, will not happen for Europe. If you buy this thing now for €5, and that €5 will go red for the receipt for you. One set not go pass that €5. You feel buy something for Nigeria for 12,000, maybe they tell you now 30,000. They will write it.
I don't come thief for your house.
Madam, you are telling us right now that those people are not fake. We are not convinced anymore because of the things that happen in the morning.
You are right. And yes, I did not argue with you. But yes, you know, for you to also know now, you don't know who they like. Now me, now those people now who, or your fans just they
I can never call you. I can never call you liar.
You can ask even the platform. You go surprise you say one person there close to that hospital. It go surprise you. Say one person they close to that hospital.
Even if say the person they close to the hospital now, but who want go? That's the problem right now.
But you see, if to say, now me tell you now, say I they go give you some evidence. Make we go come back. Where I go come back, I not bring the evidence. Sometimes let's put ourselves in the shoes of.
Madam, people say you know you tell the talk since. The reason why the reason why I promised you that I am going to give you feedback was done by my former PA through Asha. Because when the woman came here, we believed that she's going to send someone to that hospital. That is the reason why everybody we are not writing the address. Unknown to us that it was our former PA that went to our back to call Asha to come and say that she will send someone there. So you shouldn't blame us. The person you are supposed to blame is the person that came to tell us that he want to go describe that place for us. So all your evidence are not really proving.
Thank you. I get you. I get you, and I appreciate what you say. But I want to say something. Remember, we don't know who that person was. And probably even you don't know who they go. But you know, saying that your team person they go. But you allow, make the person go find the result come for you.
One was my team, and the other was not my team.
Thank you. I'm sorry. I might be not. But you allowed. You were waiting for the result from them.
Listen, the other one was my former team. Now we are just friends. The only team is Aisha. And that Aisha we believe. And everybody see Aisha come up today. So don't be Aisha fault too. Because Aisha feel that the person that was giving her that information was accurate.
Okay, thank you very much. But one thing I want to plead with you and everybody here, I will be happy. Before we call people names, let's be sure, let's have evidence.
That is true.
Evidence, not a lie.
Yes.
You see evidence, you know the lie. When you accuse somebody without evidence, it's also a sin before God. So when you want to say anything, those in the comment section, we are not babies. You can take the address and do your findings. I am here to tell you that I go give you the address. Well, the Pikin is still there hospital. He go still there tomorrow. He go still there hospital for now. Because then go do the surgery for the Pikin. Please, I will be glad if this platform can also backyard do their findings. Because there are scammers, it is true. But not everybody is scammer.
Madam, who is the host of this platform? Is it not me? Did I call you a scammer?
But you also believe your fans. You also make it clear. It is the truth.
Because now me and the
platform is not owned by one person.
Why will I not be believing my fans?
Exactly. So it means that you believe that your fans are also saying that I be scammer and it be true.
Because the reason why my fans will tell me something I will believe it, because me myself, I'm not blind. You lied to me this morning with your.
How did I lie? How did I lie? What do you call a lie? How did I lie?
I'm going to tell you how you lied. You said someone that introduced you to this woman has been going to visit that baby every blessed day. People were insulting me on your live stream. You didn't stop them not to insult me. You were reading comments. You do like say you know, sir. I know the verse because now your fans. You see me talk about now say why they go they insult me, why they go they do this, because I have helped you before. So if you not coffee help you, it cannot be bad thing. If you can't talk, say
no, honorable barrister, it's not about the help. Even if say God no, even if say wanna come up now and say we won't give una money, we for reject them. That's the truth. But please, please.
If you reject
promise us that you were going to do a findings.
No, wait.
Please, barrister.
You don't use the matter.
For God's sake, do your findings.
Riggs, you don't use the matter.
I will still drop the address on your page, the baby's name, the word. I will drop them. I will select some of your fans and go to their DM and drop the baby's name, the hospital, the address. Make una do una findings. Let's not accuse people unjustly.
Riggs. Let me tell you, you don't need.
I only came up to help.
Risk.
But if you had done your findings, barrister, I would have been very happy. For you not do your findings again, it's not
sometimes
fine.
When you
it's
say
not
something,
fine.
Wait, Risk. When you say, yeah. Now,
What happened?
You said something just now. You said, God knows in heaven that if we eventually wanted to give you that 1.2 million, that you and your team will reject it. Why did you say so?
Yes, because the scamming. My dear, may I tell you something? There is a parable that people say that if not this pot, for example, if not this one go feed me, break them. It is for a reason. You want to give me money with much insult and humiliation and disgrace and words that does not befit a human.
Okay.
You want to give such money out?
When you
have come now, then you are going to make a finding, and you never went for your finding. Barrister, you know what I'm saying is the truth. You might want to do it like this. I'm a human being. You know what I'm saying is the truth.
You see,
what I'm saying is the truth.
You
said you were going to do findings, but you never went for your findings.
Risk, wait. You are setting me up.
It is not good.
Wait first.
You promised me you were going to do findings. I was happy with you.
Wait,
but you woman. I'm a sincere woman.
Wait, since then.
Anybody.
Madam, wait.
Do your findings, but you did not.
Madam, wait.
Barrister, it's not good.
Madam, wait, I don't fit talk. Mute.
If I know you not talk to this woman, I beg.
Solution to abeg mute. E and O is the one setting me up for dragging, and I don't like it. Because the truth of the matter is that if E and O not go tell Asha, say, may Asha go talk. Say one say person go there, I for not promise this woman. Now this woman is now feeling that I am playing with her emotions. I don't like it. Who should be no ipa? Stop that. Don't tell me no ipa. What is bad is bad. It was Iyawo that set me up for dragging. This woman now go call the fee say and they use her emotions to they play. What's no? Please shut up your mouth. I want me to block you. If you make her do this kind of thing to Iyawo, I know the nonsense some of them for the talk for years since. Just shut up your battle. Don't let me block you. If you talk no again, I will block you. Because the woman right now is feeling that I am playing with her emotions. I don't want to give her the money from the beginning. Now, I don't go use her play with her emotions. Finish now. At the end of it, that's what. If you know what the woman, the crap put now, me I tell you, which is very bad. You have my number in here. You should have called me and tell me, if I see you, you told that woman, you told Aisha to come. Aisha come because of friendship. Now, the woman is not feeling that because I get money. So I the oppressor now. I play with her emotions.
Go. What? If I please, okay, not let anybody offend you, I beg. If I know what, we just have to close this matter and go to another step. All this here, don't work by Yangbene or work by Yangbe Baba. It's just over them. It's over all of them. They don't know what to do. The juju way they use for the woman is too much. So she can't convert people join body. If I relax, I beg. Relax, I know. Say the thing they pay everybody. None of your fan is supporting. I bet more just there what day. These people are just scammers. But here I will betray you. Now me they talk and I make I open my face. As a daughter, she has to say,
that's a
this is what is going on. Yeah. Daddy, this is what is going on right now. She go just tell you, then we go no, not be say I shall come to tell you for back. You not bad now.
Why shall you tell me? Why shall you tell me? I shall for not tell me.
Hi. Thank you. Yes, because the thing don't they backfire. Even your side Baba, all of them are the same team. Did you do what they use for the woman too much? So she they use her for her own team. The thing never come up for her body. That woman is not normal.
Bro, no, the woman they feel say.
Yeah, which one be solution? Now your father be this one. No be me dey cause shout. Now follow you, not cause me. If you are moving well, try.
Let's not talk over each other.
Me no key face me. It is when you dey well. It's a bomb, my dear.
Bros,
beginning.
Mama, honestly, lawo we yo. Honestly, it's okay. Let's forget about it.
Madam solution lawo we hear me ma.
This whole matter just tire me. On drip
Because
it.
you
He matter madam. He always my daughter too. He matter madam. You know where okay to say girl for me where before anything I didn't say
Oh, not a
bad. She's my
betrayal.
daughter too.
Also, oh, no, not a betrayal.
When she not look like a betrayer, Agboya do I get betrayer, and she's not a betrayer. They're not going here with her.
please
If she's
don't-
understandable, so much, you know what I
Please
say.
don't stress me. Please don't stress me.
He might say a betrayer.
Please
He will
don't
not
stress
look
me.
her as a betrayer.
Please don't stress me. Please don't stress me.
She's my daughter.
Okay. You see that woman now, eh? The tears when she tell live here. May I interpret what that woman the thing they pay her for. The woman feel say and they use her they play.
Epa, now they turn the matter. I asked Aisha to ask for just the name. Now Aisha did not. I'll talk finish, I'll come down. Aisha asked the question to say, what will be the name of the author? She wants same person. She not to say if I know they want same person. So now if you are saying me, I'm setting you up, you are setting me up for drag. That's just the fact.
Why you not come in?
Listen.
I only sent her a message because she was already
you
up
already
there. So why would you start
apologized
setting
for
you up for
the.
drag?
Wait, you don't already
That
apologize
involving me
for
that I'm
this. Don't
setting you up for
clarify
drag like
part.
that. That means they set up for drag like that.
The part the verse, but listen, the part where she in the verse will be say, why you no message him directly?
Aisha already dey up. Now make me message Aisha.
No,
say,
it
ask the name of the
you the
hospital.
message Aisha as if maybe something there between her two. You are a pair. That's what it means. As long as you
Aisha already did the live video for you. Now make me ask Aisha, say, ask the name of the hospital. And when Aisha asked the name of the hospital, she did not say, a pan wants 10 person go. She said, I want 10 person go.
Who be that?
Go check. So now, if you are saying, and I mean make this one, me the one set you up. Now you want set you up. You can't be like saying, I mean, this way, no wahala. I shall not vex that. I shall not vex that. I shall say, may you ask them of hospital, eh? You are not vex. I leave it to God and the Allah where you
did not message me. You message Asha to come and tell us that what is the name of the address. As you call climb up now, did anybody bring it down?
It cannot be public here. The woman still not talk the name of the hospital. Not be public here. She still drop the address.
Okay, yes.
Still public here.
Why?
So why you got to say me set you up for drag?
Because when Aisha talk, you not use my head there. Now when
Aisha use your head. Aisha use your head.
Now when Aisha talk, say Aisha say you want to person go. Or not to us that you were the one who contacted Aisha.
Now, if Aisha is saying you want step person go, how did it automatically means you now want step person go? Because you are saying now that I don't want set you up. If Aisha is saying
because the reason is this.
No, they call me again.
If Aisha, I don't know, if Aisha come here to say where the address they automatically. I feel everybody thinks that Aisha wants to go there and verify if those people are telling the truth.
Exactly. Does that automatically mean that you the send Aisha may send person go?
Who called Aisha? What you call her?
Wait now. Does that automatically mean that you send Aisha may send person go?
Who called Aisha?
That's what me I'm saying now. If Aisha is asking for the name of the hospital, does that automatically mean you are the one telling Aisha to send somebody?
You don't even understand. Yes.
Now you the
Of course, yes.
Oh, me and you be not dey fight. Now wetin happen be this? I dey up. You call me. I don already dey up. Now another question I wan ask the woman. I no know the way you take on change her like say we get issue. As they drag you, they drag me for comment section. I no come up. I just say may we bear am, may everything wait, may everything go. But now you come like say you dey turn now against me. You wait make I talk. You called me when I dey up say Aisha abeg ask for the address of that place. I wan send person go that place. Now cause you are okay if not
Madam Aisha, wetin be the reason wey me tell you say I wan send person go?
me that reason you fit use your mouth talk about. I no talk am for this live video.
I said because na me beg that day say me we give her money for platform. Make dem not feel say na me join the scam.
Why you not let me direct?
Now, was that not what I said?
Okay, pa, yes. Now wetin she talk be that. And she come talk and come say, okay, na true. I dey come. Maybe the woman still dey talk through or anything. I can't come up. Okay, this woman, where be the address and everything? Person wan go because he already tell me say person wan go. So wetin come be the bad thing wey I do?
Now,
and I say, pa, yes, say that word come from my mouth.
You set me up for dragging because that woman no go feel say I be bad person and they use her
wait. As me
How
Why
about
get
would
they
up.
said if I not get up for drag for that
because you
scenario?
don't tell Asha.
Now, okay, as I tell Aisha say make it bring the address automatically. Now, if I know the now one same person go like that.
Of course now. You be like now say that time
Really?
wey Sunday dey happen. That time wey Sunday dey happen. That guy wey get people where your brother go. Not because of me and you, your brother go. Not because of me and you, your brother go Sunday house.
That day I came outside to volunteer, say I want to send my brother go.
No, not the same thing. You are doing it for me.
Yeah, relax. Me and you no get issue. For this issue now me you even still throw under bus. Because when you talk as me talk Epa look and say, okay, as far say Aisha say Percy they go, that means let's stick with Aisha because they trust me. And me now because say you don't already give me the information, say Percy they go, and I no want disclose and say now you even call me. After the live video, I still ask you how far. You dey talk another thing, say the person no dey go, this one, that one. If you wish to talk about wetin you talk, if you can't use your mouth talk am for up, then I don't have any option to come and tell a person, see wetin happen o, see as the thing take be o, no be me be one go, I no get anybody o, and na he and O be one same person before o, but the person no go fit go again. I no even talk anything. I just talk am like that. As I still come here now, I see say people they insult me, they insult you. I just keep mute because normal, it don't be. But you not gonna come like say maybe I do anything bad. Wetin I do wrong? Wetin I do wrong? What have I done wrong?
Asha, you not do bad. If you don't know what is happening, assuming you not can tell me, I can't later hear am. That is a breach of betray. That is a breach of betray. Because the reason why they talk to that here, they set me up for dragging, because this woman now feels, say, and they play with her emotions. Now I make the woman now they talk, say, after all things, if they pen and now say, we not fit verify her, say she not scam, or she not be scam. Why now? Or we not get why now? You think they pay me. Because if not be here, we go tell her, say, may you ask of address. Me for not get me, I say, Percy go there. Why not tell the woman say Percy they go there? Me get Percy for Port Harcourt. I never get Percy finish for Benin when I for pump safe. Talk less of Port Harcourt. Why I know for Port Harcourt? I said my first was they watch me. Where I don't know. Finish. Aisha did not do wrong. Here, you have apologized already. But the reason why the thing they pay me now is because of the way that woman they talk to me. The woman is now feeling that I'm using her head. You'll be like, man, what you tell say, woman, what you tell say, already. Give me Toto. At the end of the day, you don't sleep with her finish, you not pay. You deceived the person. The woman is not feeling that I deceived her. Why? Madam, I not deceived you. That misinformation.
That woman, she's feeling so entitled. That woman is feeling so entitled. She and her team, they are feeling so entitled. They don't give person money. See the way she dey talk. And they listen to her since morning. She's feeling so entitled. She go pull the stick or mat, gonna use that they talk for TikTok. I don't understand. She dey feel so entitled because you give her 700,000 for the first time. She can't feel so okay. This platform get money. Not only that Pikin at the hospital. Not only that Pikin I get sickness. I mean the Pikin parents do not get family. Oh, there is no any other foundation for Nigeria business, an online foundation. Then you want to come pull up. I don't understand. The way she dey talk, she dey feel so entitled. I say maybe we promise her money. See the way she dey talk to you. I say we promise her money, say we must give her. She did okay. You say you dey run humanitarian, 1.2 million. You not you say na only 200,000 naira you get. Like, does that even make any sense?
Epa, good evening.
Good evening.
Epa, no dey let things. I know you be emotional person, no dey let things they get to you too much, because that woman just came now, can't put quarrel or talk for here. That's just it. If she feels that, oh, you deceive her on a normal person, may come they look for help. Now you go come with enough evidence. Not be we they go gather evidence for you, say whether you they talk truth or not. And if you are not satisfied with what you present, you not work money for anybody hand. We have the right to say we know they help you.
God
you go to other platform. We have the right to say, oh, we are not satisfied with what you presented. Go to another. We are sorry, we cannot help you. There's no much who come. They say ERO say this. She just came now. They get issue with ERO, Aisha and ERO. She just came to bring chaos to this platform.
Joy, let me tell you something. Calm down. It's something bad, eh? Me would they admit and say something bad. When would they do this thing since? No, there was no problem in it. It was just a normal argument. When E and O get my number, we know the get issue. Why did E and O not message me directly?
Or go climb.
And tell me, say, Ipa, that I want to mention the address again. Why did she have to pass through Aisha? Now make the thing they pay me say, this woman now they feel say, I they play with her emotions.
Epa, no let her pain you. Epa, no let her pain you.
No,
yes, ERO is very wrong. ERO is very wrong on that. Agree, and she apologized here. Epa, she apologized here. She apologized here. Epa, you cannot help her. You cannot help her. Any narrative she wants to, let her go with her team and sort it out. You don't need to feel bad. If she had provided enough evidence, we would have helped her. Since she didn't provide it, you tried, but nobody to go there. You don't have anybody in Port Harcourt to go there for you. So let it just end like that, Epa. You don't need to be stressing over this issue, please.
Thank you.
Go another topic, Epa. Thank you.
This matter don't take 5 hours.
I bet when I go that Amazing Grace, see me she come. Go with that one.
Epa, I bet me you rest for the matter because now the woman I cross away they call her 419 because she go talk, go here. I make commercial for they call her 419. So now I call the test. They hear me because you not be evidence, good evidence. If you ask a question like this, you go say no. Now this one. If you ask a question, you go say no. Now it cause I say commercial for the answer so now 419. So now it cause the test. Everything where you happen today. Now the woman use the say cause her. You understand? Because you know they talk truth, not truth is talk. Okay, now that man called that woman now. He said that his last month. Now he see the rich. He never go. So now the woman I call himself. Now he make and they call her 419. If I say they told the truth, come on, you go see follow and say,
Grace,
okay.
Grace.
Sir.
You know, so make me give her money this month.
We don't be waiting to talk. When you see, Epa, when you new call, as it carry the free commerce, it's okay, when you give her. But the way the thing call, they go.
Everybody go bring Amazing Grace for me, Jari.
I bet when we end this matter, we get many topics to talk about. May one person not can use your contest for our own for you, I beg.
Oh, you want to go write Amazing Vanny for me, please. People should go and write Amazing Vanny.
Good evening.
All right, Pa, thank you.
All right.
Good evening. I don't know which part I missed, so I think that this lady will say somebody today, say person go there 1 hour time. How this kind of the matter can't take twist to me no kono.
Okay, you just a console.
Yes. No, I know they come, so I don't hear everything. But it get that time, that first money part. Now that time, let me tell you, say, okay, that time when you say you get match, when you want to go collect children from school. Now that time you say, me not come nowhere because that time I know say the woman call somebody for food. He tell the person say the person 1 hour time go there where then now you come tell us say you want go play match, may you come back. So I miss that. I don't know I say change. It didn't pain me.
Maybe you go say for blogger, yeah, because if I say make I start again now the two they invest me. So now
I know. Oh, yeah, just calm down. You try. Thank you.
Now you're rest like that.
Bye.
Yes, please. Where is an Amazing Grace? Sorry, I said Amazing Grace. Where is Amazing Vanny? When I go right there for a platform, see how they call her. I'll be right until they do night videos. Where is Amazing Vanny? Amazing Vanny. Should not block everybody. Okay, man, no. Where is Amazing Vanny? Let me call Amazing Vanny.
I'll bring it back. Okay, give me some time. Okay, I'll bring it. So what you do is click on the gift box, okay, and then you will look for something that is 5,000. Then you send it. So
Okay, I will check something where it be 5,000.
Yes.
Okay.
I shall say, please go piano.
Epa, I be want to apologize to that woman just now when I insult. Sincerely speaking, Epa, I just be want like claim my name. They don't say I joined the scam. When I see that they say they be scam or they involved. Because I know Snami call the like say Epa help them that day. So now make I call really more be same person go. I just sorry say I don't come to you direct. I go meet Madam Aisha say me she ask name of hospital and all. I dey really sorry. And that woman just now had a solution. Mama, I dey sorry say I insult you. Now based on say you when you say betrayal, I not be saying maybe na betrayal where I take care of before. Now just hear na my team.
Amazing, come up now, I'm calling you.
I better not vex.
Our time is not the same. I sent you message.
Let me read it.
I sent you message. You know our time is different.
So you can you
Yeah, oh.
so you cannot come now.
Wait, okay.
That's the problem. I came up. I even had to end my live stream because of I went.
Yes, because I was playing boss game and there was other issues. No. Come now. If you still come now, more quit telling your matter before we continue now.
But I will come now. I'll come with my other account.
Okay.
Just give me a minute. Let me finish with this thing so that
I don't talk to Amazing. Hey,
Epa, I don't know that if they hear me before.
I know they hear me. No, I just they talk to this lady.
Okay, I say Epa, maybe you not vex say maybe I pass your back. Go
No,
meet
no problem.
Otherwise, I supposed to come meet you, and I truth you did very right for that one. I supposed to come meet you, talk to you direct.
Yeah, when
Come ask you. Now just be say as I dey say, I say that they say na scam. Nah, cause
Yeah, that's fine. It's okay.
Yeah, that's nice of you. So what I want to tell you,
You can call me privately.
if you dey do live video, me they will call your platform or test. You know they do PA, not me say you be enemy to the platform. For you to say I will ask for your address, you care. If anything, then you dey watch platform, maybe the topic is with you. You always see clapped. If I know this person, you say it happen. Now not me say something go there, you no go. The thing go dey bother you to climb. You call the use for the call, maybe you know me say you see climb. If I like you well, since you tell say you know they do PA, nobody don't even why they will call your platform. Maybe you dey notice me sometimes. You see give your suggestion. If this person I know I'm I feel same person go. Anybody can do it. So you know they do PA follow. You know me say you get interest. You know want talk again. You know make sense. You be see our everybody love you so much. So you know mean anything. Yeah,
Thank you so much, Mama Laura. Thank you.
I do anything because the way you say make God judge me. What me do?
You be really good, and we all see everything that you be doing.
Mama, because now wait till I still explain you the
Aisha,
no
please,
say.
can you wait for 1 minute, please? Sorry.
Okay.
Ma?
Unmute me. Everybody love you. You don't try your best. You don't apologize. You can call him later on private. That's fine. But as we don't deliberate on this issue and we are not helping that lady again, I don't want you to take this issue to your platform to go and deliberate on this anymore.
No,
You understand? So please don't talk about it. So we just forget about it. And you can always climb up at any time here to also contribute because people love you here. You get. So that
Yes,
if you know they climb now, people come they feel say maybe una too get issue and you not supposed.
No, I always they come here.
And you they come, but you know they climb now. When Miami West now, come on.
Okay,
You know
thank
they
you.
climb.
Yes,
All right, we love
Where
you.
is Vanny? Mona, bring Vanny up, moderators. No problem. Where is Vanny, please? Where is Vanny, please?